What's up, everybody? This is Eddie with Flex Machine Tools, and here are 5 reasons why you should be tapping offline with your FlexArm. While the operator's machine is working on one set of parts, the operator can then take the opportunity to work on another. This decreases operator downtime and increases productivity. FlexArm tapping arms have many features that prevent tap breakage. From the depth stop to also fine-tuning the speeds of the tap, operators have more opportunities to save their taps using the FlexArm as opposed to other machining centers. Switching between tools and taps is done much faster with the FlexArm. The less time spent changing taps and tools is more time spent working on parts and projects. Using a FlexArm to tap smaller parts allows bigger machining centers to stay open, and this creates more opportunities to run bigger parts. The FlexArm can be moved around the shop easily, and this makes it possible to take on jobs that require a part to either stay stationary or parts that are too heavy to be sat on a vertical machining center bed. And there you have it, 5 reasons why you should be tapping offline with your FlexArm. For more information, check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com.